you how to make toilet roll houses.
Hello, it's Sally here from Leamington Spa Art Gallery and Museum. Welcome to Arty Tots. Now I'm in the middle of a massive game. You know when you have a massive game and you really enjoy it and you set it all up and you're playing for ages. And I got my Sylvanians out this morning. I've got my rabbits out. Look, aren't they cute? And I thought, you know, I really wish I had a few more toys to play with my Sylvanians. And I thought, I don't know what to do. And then I thought, I know, I'll make some houses to go in my game, to be the houses for these little rabbits. And I thought, what could I make a house out of? So I thought, I know, I've got lots of toilet rolls. So you need a toilet roll. You need a pair of scissors, some tape, some glue, and a pen. And if you wrap your toilet roll up in card, cut it out to the right size, stick it together, then you can have a go. Oh, sorry, Bunny, did I knock you over? You can have a go at making these amazing houses. They're so pretty, aren't they? They're so bright and colourful. And they reminded me of an artist that we have at the Art Gallery and Museum. And that's Terry Frost. And Terry Frost lived in a place in St Ives in Cornwall. And if you've ever been there, you'll know some of the houses there are very, very pretty. And they're lots of bright colours. Now, do you know something amazing about Terry? And I've been playing Terry Frost with rabbits. I know Terry Frost wasn't a rabbit. Here he is, look. He was a very jolly artist man. He was lovely. Hello, Terry. Anyway, Terry was so jolly and lovely. And do you know how many children he had? Not one, not two, not three, not four, but 5 children. And I thought, goodness me, if he was going to build a house for each of his children, I think he would have built them houses like this because they look a bit like his paintings with lovely, lovely shapes. So you could build a whole village, you could build a whole town, and you could have great fun making some extra bits for your game, and you could play them with Duplo or with Lego or with other things. And you could do them in all different colours. If you wanted to, you could do them with bits of old paper and bits of old cards stuck on. So have fun and enjoy playing. I'm going to play and be Terry Frost now. And do you know, Terry Frost even lived in a caravan when he first went to Cornwall. So that's why I've got my caravan out. And I'm just having a little game and we're just going to make their tea in a minute. So have fun playing and see you soon. Bye.